Okay folks, you could probably hear the Remington working its way there now for heating up my engine. And what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to check out, let's go outside here. Yeah, what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be taking the aircraft up and just double checking the temperatures, cylinder head temperatures, and also my oil temperature mainly, to see what they are based on present conditions outside. It's about 0 degrees outside here now. In the hangar it's about the same because I haven't got it heated obviously, but that's what that preheat's doing right now on the engine. So I'm going to be taking the aircraft up, and I'll be checking all the engine parameters and so forth. So let's go up and see how this tape that I've got on, as well as that additional plate that I've got on the bottom, as you saw in the previous video there. So let's get the aircraft out of the hangar, and we'll see you out there. Okay, temperature's up to 60 now, so I guess I can dawdle off here. Okay, let's do the run up here. Okay, temperature is up to 74 now, just with that short taxi. Temperature is up to 80 now. Yeah, we're going to be taking off on 34. Which is just in front of us, so we'll get all set here right now. Okay. Welcome traffic, it's Cherokee Charlie Shark November. We're taxiing from the ramp, and we'll be using 3-4. We'll advise taking position 3-4. Welcome traffic, it's Charlie Shark November. Welcome traffic, it's Cherokee Charlie Shark November. Taxiing to position runway 34. It'll be a straight out departure. Welcome traffic, Charlie Shark November, departing runway 34. And we'll be departing on the left downwind, and we'll be southbound. Welcome traffic, Charlie Shark November. Welcome traffic, Charlie Charlie November, climbing through 4,000, just off 34. We're in the left turn and climbing to 6,500. We'll be southwest bound. Welcome traffic, Charlie Charlie November. Okay, we're still in the climb here. The oil temperature is 110. It's actually +2 out here. And that's at about 5,000 feet. We're just coming up to 5,000 feet now. And we're climbing at about 400 feet a minute. Traffic. Cylinder head temperatures, 1 is 376, 2 is 340, 3 is 408. That's because that's the new one. And number 4 is 385. So we'll just have to watch that number 3 cylinder there. Oil temperature is now 132, 134. Okay, I think I can level off here at 6,500 feet. And I'm flying right into the sun, so this prop tack, it's actually trying to read the sun, so it just doesn't work. So I'll just have to go by my mechanical RPM indicator. It reads 100 RPM low in cruise, so it's about 24, 25. So we should be able to pull this back a bit here. There we go. Yeah, I'm reading 8.4 for the fuel flow. That's about as close as I'm going to be able to get it. So number 1 is reading 379. Number 2 is reading 362. Number 3 is reading 385. Number 4 is reading 371. My oil temperature is 169. And it's reading 180 on the oil temperature here on my Piper gauge. And that's in cruise here now. Clear zone traffic, Cherokee Charlie, Charlie November, 5 nautical miles north of the field. We're at 6,500 and we'll be commencing a descent for an overhead arrival. Clear zone. Clear zone traffic is Cherokee Charlie, Charlie November. Clear zone snuck up on me real fast here. Should have been commencing my descent a little earlier. Oh, here we go. We got the my prop tack working again because the sun's over there now. It's not over there. It was shining right into the lens. That's the problem I find with the prop tack. Sometimes if you're flying right into the sun, it has a hard time trying to calibrate what it's reading. Like shining it into a big light. So I would expect the runway to be 2-1. Well, it might not be 2-1. Might be 0-3. It's kind of hanging limp anyway, so I don't think it matters much. I'll use 0-3. Clear zone traffic, Charlie, Charlie November overhead the field at 4,800. We'll be joining for a left-hand downwind 0-3 clear zone. Oh, I guess we've arrived.
Clear zone traffic, it's Cherokee Charlie Sierra November, we're clear, runway 03, clear zone, taxiing for the ramp. Okay, we've arrived, folks, so let's see what we have. I've got a bit of a situation that I have to talk to the maintenance people about after the annual. Nothing serious, but I just want to get it confirmed. So that was good. I mean, with that, it seems that with when you get that temperature in around 0 degrees, the parameters are all good.